comes the first rates on this Monday morning, just a day ahead of the budget. It's a weak start, about a 0.5% downtick is what the Nifty as well as the Sensex both have started off the day with. What about HDFC Bank and Kotak then? Let's start off with a reaction on both those names. For the broader end of the market, of course, it's a little bit of a weaker start. So Kotak Bank starts off with a 2.25% dip. HDFC Bank starts off with less than 1% of a gain right now. There you go, HDFC Bank skirting around that 1621 level. For Reliance, it's a bigger disappointment and it's going to have a bigger bearing on the way the index actually pans out because it's down about almost 2.5%. While it's clinging on to that 3,000 print, it's a downtick of about 81 odd points as we are seeing in trade right now. A bunch of other names which are going to be in focus, and I'm going to quickly bring up that entire list for you on your screens in terms of how the earnings reactions are currently playing out. Because there you go, Yes Bank, Poonawalla FinCorp, RBL Bank are all earnings reactions. So it was a good set from Network Technologies, from JK Cement, from Yes Bank, Oberoi Realty, from Stanley, Shakti Palms, Gravita, ICICI Lombard, JSW Energy. All of these are impressive earnings reactions. And then, of course, it was an inline set from Tejas Networks, from Indian Hotels, RPG Life, and even Route Mobile. Tejas Networks, though, has seen a downtick of about almost 4.5% as we speak right now. Indian Hotels, though, better than expected start, about a 2% uptick. By the way, since we're talking about weak numbers, it's not just Reliance or Kotak. There's also JSW Steel. And where is Wipro? After that sharp gash that you had in Wipro on Friday night on the ADR, it's a 7.25% fall, Anisha.
Yeah, not unexpected on Wipro, but the level is around 517 right now. We'll track that one. But from the broader markets, Kirloskar Pneumatic is coming under pressure. The earnings clearly missed the mark on that one. And separately, you also have names like GE, TND, etc., which are under pressure. Raymond, Tejas Networks, Route Mobile, Titagar Wagons, these are some of the names which are down and out. But clearly, it's Big Boy Reliance, which is having a big bearing on the market right now. That itself is down a good 3%, and that's the reason we have gone below the mark of 24,400. Advanced decline ratio does not look impressive at all. You have the Bank Nifty, which is down 0.6%. So there's out and out red today on the screen. And not many reasons right now to cheer, at least for the Indian markets, because earnings so far have been a bit subpar, and all of that is playing out. Bank Nifty below the mark of 52,000. See, Rudramurthy, what's the first trade on the index or any individual bets that you'd want to make on stock-specific call?
See, very clearly from lower levels after this gap down open, we are seeing some amount of consolidation and an up move. So I will definitely not short this market before budget and also at these level. So look at buying opportunity with strict stop loss. And one stock which I'm looking at outperformance even at current level is Bajaj Finance. Yes, at levels closer to the 6,850 offers a great risk reward. So one can have a tight stop loss of around 6,830 and look at buying opportunity in Bajaj Finance. Similarly, SBI also looks strong to me. That is another stock where every dip I will look at buying opportunity. So buy on Bajaj Finance and SBI, and also on overall market buy this dip.
Okay, buy the dips, but would you buy the dip on Reliance Industries as well? A good 3% cut there?
See, for me, Reliance has a strong support now at around 3,020, 3,000 zone. Yes, keeping a stop loss below 3,000, around 2,980, levels closer to 3,020 will be a good buying opportunity, keeping in mind the good risk reward trade, and look at targets of around 3,100, 150 to come. So 2,980 stop loss on Reliance and buy it closer to 3,020.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.